Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to be talking about some upcoming creature additions to Subnautica 2 that we've sort of already confirmed are going to happen, either because they were directly shared by the developers in the recent Swimming Forward vlog, or because we know that they're already in the game files, such as the Elusive Leviathan. So with that in mind, the first one I'll talk about is the one that seems very strange just on the whole, and that is the Scourge Hive. The Scourge Hive is this floating disc of a creature that spills out what could only be described as a swarm of alien piranha-looking fish that presumably function like a sea of swarming bees in the water that bite and do a bunch of damage to everything around them. They could probably do damage to you, maybe possibly damage to your equipment, and you don't want to go anywhere near it for fear that it'll activate and roam around destroying everything in its path. The next one is obviously the Elusive Leviathan that I just mentioned before. The Elusive Leviathan is a creature that is already in the game that we know not very much about, other than the fact that it looks kind of like a cross between an orca whale and a wendigo, and that when you get close to it with your invisibility or god mode turned off and it sees you, it activates a cloud of smoke to escape and then try to run away. It's currently believed, from the comments that I've seen online, believed to be something that patrols around and hides somewhere near the world tree at very deep depths underwater. But there's no actual confirmation of that, and we don't actually have any idea where this thing might even appear, because it's trying to hide from us. It's not trying to hurt us or even eat us. Then the last addition is some sort of new creature that was previewed in the developer vlog, and it looks like it's going to be living in the new area that is described as the home of the collector leviathans. It's going to be somewhere fairly deep, because if you look at the picture, it doesn't really look like this thing has eyes anywhere, and it must live somewhere where it either has to function mostly off of sound rather than sight, and not really be bothered all that much by darkness. But we don't know literally anything about it, where you encounter it, or even how big it is. But those are the three kind of creatures that we know are going to be coming to some future update to Subnautica 2. Could be some of the new content updates coming with like 1.1 or 1.2, or the first really big update that adds that new zone, or maybe sometime really far in the future. We really just don't know. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This is just a quick look at some of the new creatures that will be eventually coming to Subnautica 2, because they're either in the game files or been officially announced. And I'll catch you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've been your host, Larry, and bye.